Fernando, kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. Today's vlog, we are very thankful to Mr. Borton's Fast Food, Sindalan, for sending us 7 of their greatest dishes. If you wanna know more about the dishes that they have sent us, samahan niyo po ako dito. Alright, so before we do the taste testing, guys, I would like you to know that they are available sa Food Panda. So under pick up, just search Mr. Borton's Fast Food. And yeah, makikita nyo po dito kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila. So they do have the pancit series. Meron silang mga breakfast meals. They do also serve ulam and pulutan. So for example, you don't wanna, prepare your own lunch or dinner. So they can actually prepare that for you. Meron silang ulam and pulutan. Meron din silang mga bilao. And then meron din tayong mga pang salo-salo. And a lot more. So go ahead, guys, check them out sa Food Panda. They also answer sa kanilang official fan page. Just go to facebook.com and search for Mr. Borton's Fast Food Sindalan. Alright, so enough with the introduction. Let's get into the meat of the details. Imagine you are with me. So ano yung unang-una nyong kakainin dito? Para sa akin, I think I'll go with the sisig first, no? So, tikman muna natin tong sisig nila. So, yung sisig is a sisig Kapampangan. It doesn't have egg. Yung mga onions, it doesn't overpower yung actual meat. Let's taste it. Oh, yeah. Grabe. You don't need any, sausawan, toyo, mansi. In itself, it's actually great. I like it. It's a little sweet. It is spicy. And tunay Kapampangan sisig. Alright. Since yung sisig natin, kailangan ko siyang ternohan ng kanin. So let's go grab our carbo. So I think I'm gonna go with this pancit canton. So this is their pancit canton. Grabe, guys. Ang dami. Since marami tayong titikman ngayon. So that's enough for now. Ooh. Guys, so tikman muna natin yung canton. Ang sarap, guys. Dagdagan mo ng konting, calamansi sa taas. Perfect merienda. Actually, perfect din sa mga salo-salo, no? A small gathering, a private event, a family, get together. If you are, busy to prepare for your food, mag Mr. Borton's Fast Food na lang kayo, guys. Now next, I wanna taste is this pancit palabok. I haven't been eating pancit palabok for a while, so yeah, I'm excited to have another one today. Again, we would like to thank Mr. Borton's Fast Food. Such a generous delivery, guys. Thank you so much for your generosity. Oh wow, they sent us additional sauce. You can also request that. I think that's enough. Alright, so another batch pancit palabok. Oh wow, pancit palabok plus sisig, it's pairable. Oh, wow. Now, I wanna taste yung kanilang chop suey. This one, it has, a mix of meat and mga iba pang sahog, no? So I see some shrimp, some liver. Wow. This is chop suey overload. Has a lot of mga sahog in it. Wow, so fresh. Super enjoying this afternoon. Next I want to taste is yung kanilang mixed seafood salpicao. So in this dish, I see some, some shrimps, squid rings. Meron din tayong mga, I think these are octopus meat, no? Some mixed vegetables, hot dogs, and of course, this very thick sauce nila. I believe this is oyster sauce, no? So let's figure it out. Oh wow. Not too salty, and I like it because it's a little bit sweet. That's perfect, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so nag-change plate ako actually kasi meron siyang konting mga natirang sauce nung salpikaw natin. Wanna taste this separately. I mean, as native as is. Again, the usual, it has bihon, Mickey, your vegetables. Oh man, again, this is very perfect for your salo-salo, small family gathering. You can order their food sa Food Panda or you can message them sa Facebook fan page nila. It's Mr. Borton's Fast Food Sindalan. And this is their Mickey Bihon. Oh wow. Oh man. So lastly, I saved the best for last para sa akin. This is their sweet and sour chicken. Cheers guys. Ciao. Wow. So juicy. So tender again. Hindi sa dry. And I think para sa akin, no, yung panlasa ng natin, yung chef natin yung nagluto dito, doesn't tend to overpower yung saltiness or yung sourness. Just the right amount of ingredients. I think so. Wow. Grabe guys. I'm gonna spend my afternoon with my family with this Mr. Borton dishes. So if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to check out Mr. Borton's. We're gonna be flashing the fan page on your screen right now, and you can also catch them at Food Panda app if you're interested to order and taste yung mga food po na nakita nyo dito sa video na to. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Always support local and stay safe. I hope to see you in the next video. See ya, bye!